What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Conflux. Had to do a little update on it because I know that a lot of you are holding it, trading it, hopefully you're shorting it right now. But that's why I wanted to do a update on that, because right now it's, as most of you know, the market circumstances are not necessarily weird. But they're way less than ideal. The market is quite bearish. Bitcoin is still dropping. Bitcoin is probably dropping down to this level around 26,700. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on Conflux. What we just did technically is this level around 30.5 cents and 30 cents, which historically has been a well-respected key level. Has also broken, and we barely gave any reaction to that. Yesterday evening when we broke through it, there was a lot of bearish momentum, as you can see. So on the 15-minute time frame, perhaps, yeah, you can just see this huge sell-off at around 9 o'clock, and we just continued the bearish momentum afterwards, and that's what we're doing now. Now I must say that there is something very interesting coming up for Conflux, but we'll talk about that in this video. Before we talk about Conflux more, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But for now, let's talk about Conflux. So the interesting thing is actually if you zoom out to the daily time frame, which is something I would 100% advise you to do in times like this. And what you'll see then is that you have this very strong trend line coming very soon at around 27.5 cents, which by the way is also a minor psychological support level. So we're getting that level, and I think it's going to be very interesting for Conflux to see how we will react to that. So that's coming very soon. There's basically a huge support level between 26 cents and 27.5 cents, and Conflux is going to drop down there. Now the big question is how much support can we expect there? Because right now, with the volume that is probably, it's the weekend, so volume drops down. For Conflux, it has also dropped down about 30%. The less volume there is, the less volume you can also expect when we hit a support level. So I'm not sure how we will react to that level. I don't think that the trend line itself, which is right now, if we would hit it, it's really around like 27.6 cents that we would hit it. I think we'll drop down a bit lower towards that 27 cents level. And at this point of time, I do think we'll find support there. Now, the only way in which Conflux can turn bullish again from that level is if from that support we would be able to break above 30 cents. Which, I mean, I would never bet against Conflux with all of my money for that, because historically we have had amazing rallies, but it's not what I expect. Right now, there are no fundamentals really lining up well for Conflux. It's a great project long term, but short term there's just so much bearish momentum that I do expect us to drop down there, find support, perhaps even reach 30 cents, but I do not think we can break above that. I think it's more likely that we will consolidate on top of that. So consolidate on top of really like 27, 26 cents. And then at the end of Sunday and the beginning of Monday, usually Bitcoin starts moving a lot, even though it's moving a little bit right now as well. And then it will just follow Bitcoin, which at this point of time, the most likely scenario is that we will drop down to 22 cents because I expect more bearish momentum from Bitcoin. So it's waiting for that. Short term, as I said, there is some relief coming, I think at least. But overall, it's not looking that great. So that's my take on it for today. For now, if you do have any questions though, let me know down in the comments. And for now, thank you for watching. Enjoy your weekend and bye.